The new Volvo S60, a sports saloon designed to rival the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4, has been unveiled in Charleston, South Carolina, and company bosses have promised the machine will be a true driver's car. The new machine was unveiled in the new U.S. factory that will be its sole global production site. It is built on Volvo's Scalable product architecture, SPA, and shares much of its technology with the recently launched V60 estate. Volvo opens first U.S. factory ahead of S60 reveal. Henrik Green, Volvo's research and development boss, said, "The active chassis and driving modes deliver excellent control and an engaged platform that makes this a driver's car." Due to go on sale early next year, the S60 will be offered in the UK with a choice of 4 petrol engines including 2 plug-in hybrids, part of Volvo's pledge to offer electrified versions of all new models from 2019 onwards. No diesel engines will be offered. The plug-in hybrid engines include Volvo's supercharged 2.0-liter T8 twin engine, which produces a combined 385 bhp, with the 299 bhp petrol engine driving the front wheels and the 65 kW electric unit powering the rear axle. That model offers 472 pounds-foot and can achieve 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds on its way to a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The T8 twin motor will also be offered with a Polestar-engineered performance upgrade, developed by Volvo's new performance sub-brand. That upgrade includes revamped wheels, brakes, suspension and a tweaked engine ECU which boosts combined power to 409 bhp,